So my name is Fredrik Remøy. I'm the head of strategy and M&A in Rem Offshore.
Okay. Can you briefly describe the fleet of Rem Offshore as it is currently?
Yeah, so we have 21 vessels with 4 of those under construction. Now it's a fleet ranging from PSVs to CSOVs to seismic source to subsea assets. So it's a wide range of vessels.
And you, especially on the new builds, Rem Offshore has invested in electrics, batteries, and alternative fuels. Can you elaborate on these investments?
Well, we started back in 2021 looking at hydrogen. And then after a while, we found out that hydrogen is really not suited as a fuel for the offshore industry. So we moved our focus towards electrification, since electrification gives the most bang for the buck and has the highest amount of energy efficiency of all available alternatives, naturally. Now, after that, we have been looking at different options like ammonia, we've been looking at LOHC, we've been looking at methanol, and we ended up with methanol since we see that, first of all, there is an existing production in Norway of methanol. Secondly, the end client of our contract, they have an existing production facility which they could turn into green methanol production. So thereby, we would be the first vessel running on green methanol in the industry. So that was a very important part of that decision.
Can you give a little bit more details on the 4 new buildings that you just mentioned?
Yeah, so 2 of the new builds are in the 250-ton subsea segment, and 1 new build is in the CSOV segment, and the 4th one has not been disclosed, so we have not got the 4th one under construction at the moment. So all in all, it's a spread, 1 suitable for working in the renewable industry, and 2 suitable for working specifically both in the subsea oil and gas and in the renewable industry. Could do trenching operations, IMR operations, cable work, ROV work, of course. So it's a wide spread.
And when do you consider these to be delivered and operational?
So the first vessel is coming in May 2026. Followed by the second one delivery in September 2026 and the third one in May 2027. And that was also an important part of our decision-making process, that we should have the delivery of the vessels as soon as possible.
So what green technologies do they have on board?
So on the subsea vessels, we have 3 battery packages on board. We have regeneration of electricity from all electrical equipment. That is the crane wires, the LARS systems. We have waste heat recovery system, SCR systems, of course. So all in all, they are quite an order of magnitude and resulting in reduction of significant emissions.
And I believe you said they would be ready to operate on green methanol when that's available.
Yeah, that's correct. So from day one, we will be the only vessel-owning company which has vessels that are ready to operate from day one on methanol. Now, you look at the other vessels that are under construction, none of them are able to do that. They call themselves methanol ready, but they do not have the capacity to do so. They do not have the engines installed. They do not have the piping installed. So therefore, they will face significant cost if they want to go down that route. Well, we've done the investment upfront, and we believe that is the right way to go.